Hello everyone. We want to present about integration Telegram application into digital mind mapping to develop student teachers EFL critical reading and writing skill. Before that, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Farahdina Athaliyah S, and my friends Salwaa, Fadhila, Yasmin, and Aulia, Putri, Maharani. We from to group 8.
Okay, so today I'm going to explain the main idea of this research. So, this research is about improving students' English reading and writing skills, especially critical thinking, by using Telegram and digital mind mapping. As we all know, English is a global language. People use it to communicate, share ideas, and learn new things. In the digital age, it's not enough to just speak or write English. So we also need to read and write critically. That means not just understanding the words, but thinking deeply about them, asking questions, and expressing our own ideas clearly. And critical reading helps students understand the author's purpose, like finding the main ideas and judge what's true or not. Critical writing allows students to share their own opinions, support them with evidence, and make their writing clear and meaningful. So this research focuses on combining two tools. First, Telegram, which is a messaging app students already use. Second, digital mind mapping, which helps students organize their thoughts visually. And the goal is to find out whether using these tools together can really help students become better at reading and writing in English. Next slide, please. In the literature review, the authors look at what other researchers said about critical reading, critical writing, and using digital tools in education. Studies show that critical reading means more than just reading, but it's about thinking, asking questions, and understanding the author's real message. Researchers like Koglu and Karabai say it helps students become better thinkers. And for critical writing, it's not just about writing essays, but it's about giving your opinion using evidence and understanding different sides. ATAC 2015 said students need to learn how to build strong arguments and think. Finally, digital tools like mind mapping and Telegram have been helpful. They make learning more visual, interactive, and enjoyable. Tools like this can support reading and writing. Next slide, please. And then I would like to explain the methodology used in this article by Dr. Hasnaa Helwa. First, the research design was a mixed method, so author used both quantitative and qualitative data. It followed a pre-post design, meaning the students were tested before and after the program. For the participants, the study included 35 third-year English students from the Faculty of Education. They were taught using a program that combined Telegram and digital mind mapping. And to collect data, the author used three instruments. First, a critical reading test with 34 questions, to a critical writing test where students go to essays, and three, a semi-structured interview drawn at 3 points before, during, and after the program. These tools were checked for validity and reliability with a reliability score of 12.89, which is considered strong.
Okay, the next is findings. The first is quantitative results, data from the pre-post experimental group design, comparing student EFL critical reading and writing skill before after the intervention. The scope involves statistical measure, for example, mean score, t-test, showing improvement in critical reading and writing skill for the 35 participants. The next is qualitative results. Insight from qualitative data, such as student feedback or observation, highlighting how the Telegram-based digital mind mapping program influenced their learning experience, engagement, or ability to analyze and synthesize information critically. The next is discussion. First one is the research question. How the result answer the five research questions, such as identifying the required EFL critical reading and writing skill, the future of the Telegram and digital mind mapping program, and its effective and skill. The next is comparison with literature. The finding will be compared to prior studies, safety, and the literature review, which support the use of digital technology in EFL instruction. The discussion might highlight how the Telegram-based approach align with or differs from this study.
Okay, so next is result. The study showed a statistically significant improvement in students' EFL critical reading and writing skills after being taught using a blended approach that combines digital mind mapping and Telegram. In the pre-test, for the mean test for the score for reading was 12.20 and improved to 26.65. And in the post test for writing, the mean increased from 26.5 to 47.83. Sub skills like identifying cause and effect, drawing conclusion, and vocabulary use also showed significant gains. Telegram support continuous communication and collaborative learning, while digital mind maps help students better organize and connect ideas. This result align with the findings of Helwa 2020, which attributed students' improvement to the Telegram-based digital mind mapping program. Okay, so next is conclusion. The implementation of an eclectic blended learning method integrated with CRLL or we can call it CIL tools or Telegram and digital mind maps significantly enhance student performance in EFL. EFL critical reading and writing. Students show improvement in comprehension, organization, vocabulary use, and overall critical thinking. The research highlights a strong correlation between motivation, interactive digital tools, and academic achievement. Therefore, this method is recommended to meet learners' needs in the digital era. The conclusion strongly support Helwa's findings, further validating the effectiveness of digital mind mapping and Telegram integration in EFL education. And that's all from our group. Thank you for your attention.